Have you ever sat to watch a movie and you're watching through the movie, everything's going great, but then you just get a realization, what am I doing with my life? That is not right. I should not be doing this. And you just can't enjoy the movie. Not always, but like if you watch it every single day, especially, you will get that feeling that what the hell am I doing with my life? I should be doing something else, something better with my life. And you can do something better with your life. And in matter of fact, if you stay 100% productive during all the day, you will feel more fulfilled, more happy, because we think that the instant gratification things are good for us, that they are enjoyable, but they are not actually enjoyable, and everyone knows that. You know that because when you watch that Netflix movie, you had the thoughts that this is wrong, and this is not actually that enjoying. It's just easy. Psychologists have studied so much of our brain, and they analyzed how to manipulate our brain for that extra dopamine hit. And he will do that and do that, and they make money through our attention. You watch the video, and somebody else gets the money, and you get a fried dopamine receptors, short attention span, and an unhappy life. You are basically stealing happiness from your future self, from your tomorrow self, by doing shitty actions today. And as Hamza said, self love is nothing more than doing things for your future self. Like, if you know that doing this action will damage your future self, you will never be able to love yourself. Unless you have an ego that is unjustified. Why do you have an ego? Have you accomplished anything in life? You are just a fuck up who hasn't done shit in life. And you have an ego, like if you know something, you don't know shit about life, you don't have anything. Don't stop having an ego. An ego should be earned and not fucking, I'll just be egotistical because I can. No, you fucking can't. Fucking cunt. Anyway, how to stay productive 100% of the day. I will give you the step-by-step guide. First of all, I don't know what age you are, but I will get a hypothesis that you work a 9 to 5. So you work a 9 to 5, okay, that's fine. 8 hours of work, fine. It's money. Like many people say that it's unproductive to work 9 to 5 and that you shouldn't work and that you should focus on your business 100%. No, that's completely incorrect. Because if your business doesn't make money, you are better off working and getting some money in. And then when you get some money from your business, then you joke. Whatever. I'm not gonna speak on a topic that I'm not really good about. I haven't made that much money from the internet, so I will not speak on that matter. But I will speak on how to be productive. You work your 9 to 5 job. Then you go to the gym, for example. Alright? You should identify your grind. What is the most important thing to you? Because the person who tries to catch two rabbits at the same time catches none. You should choose which rabbit do you want, the gray or the white one. Do you want the good physique or do you want to make more money? What is more important to you? Maybe you want a degree, study. Choose what is important to you. I don't know what it is. For me currently it's my physique and I'm just getting some gains. I'm optimizing my diet and I'm optimizing my workout program to get the physique that I want, and I am for 90% of the day focus on that. The other 10% of the day I do something that I call basic habits, meditation for my mental health, and something that is very important for example for money, making one YouTube short a day, for example, or night. And you can optimize it to you. And it is fun, if you optimize it to your liking to be 100% productive, it is fun for you. It's not even, you don't even call it something hard, because you're just liking it, man. You just feel productive and more happy, and you are doing your future self a favor, and that's the point. Because what is the point of watching this Netflix movie doesn't give you anything, bro. Like if you watch one movie with your girlfriend or with your family, that's okay. But if you watch it every single day, you go to Netflix. These shows are trash, bro. Like yeah, you don't watch Squid Game when it comes out. You watch every single fucking shit show, and they're all shit, and they're not improving your life, and you don't get anything from them. Some shows have learning lessons. Bro, the best learning lessons is living life and doing things and taking action. You will not learn shit. No matter what you watch or what you read, you need to take action and to do things. And this is basically the guide on how to be 100% productive. Just fill you with things to do. Do this job or extra diet, extra workout. Identify what you need right now. And the other things, just don't completely give up on them. For example, if you are in the grind of making money, don't completely give up exercising. Get an East curl bar, do some curls, do some overhead shit. Get to the flow. You can do it, and you will be grateful for it.